Good afternoon, students. Today in this video, we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech, verb tense changes. Okay, and the tense that we are going to see today is past continuous. Suppose a sentence is given to you in past continuous, what will it change to in indirect speech? Okay, first understand what is past continuous. Past continuous tells you about an action which was being performed at a given period of time in past. Okay, meaning the action was continuing. Like present continuous, meaning at present the work is going on. Like that, in past continuous, the work was being done. Okay, the structure for past continuous is subject plus helping verb, and the helping verb is the form of be. Okay, helping verb is in the form of be. Okay, is, am, are becomes was, has, have becomes had, then do, does become did. Like that, whatever helping verb if you see, that tells you about past, and the main verb is in ing form, then the sentence is called to be in past continuous tense. Okay, now whenever we change past continuous tense to indirect speech, it becomes past perfect continuous. Okay, so over here I have written a sentence which is in past continuous tense. Okay, I'll be explaining you the structure also and how to change the structure in past perfect, that we will see. Okay, the sentence is Ram said. Okay, who said? Ram said. There is a subject. He says, I was doing my homework. This is the direct speech. Okay, where we have the subject, that is I. Was is the helping verb. Doing is the main verb over here, which is in ing form, and my homework is the object. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus object. Okay, now this sentence is a direct speech. We are studying about direct speech and we have to change it into indirect. There are two ways of saying a sentence. First is direct and the other one is indirect. Now to change this sentence into indirect speech, I have already told you that in past continuous, if a sentence is given, if a speech is there, you have to change it into past perfect. Now what is the structure of past perfect? That we can see in the indirect speech. Okay, we will follow the same formula, we will follow the same rule which we did for the previous ones, like changing direct to indirect. We have to take it out of the quotation mark. So over here, who said? Ram said, I was doing my homework. Now we have to change it into indirect speech. So while writing an indirect speech, we have to mention who said. Ram said that. You know what is the use of that? It's a conjunction which is used to join the reporting verb and the reported speech. Okay. Now in the indirect speech, Ram said that. Past perfect continuous. This speech will change to past perfect tense, continuous tense. Okay, that he had been doing. What is the structure over here? Subject plus had been plus the main verb, that will be in the ing form again, and the object. Subject plus had been plus the main verb, and to represent to put the verb in the continuous form, we have to use ing. Okay, so now the structure for past perfect tense over here is subject plus had been plus main verb in ing form and the object. Okay, now your indirect speech is over here. Ram said that he had been doing his homework. Okay, now this is another way to say a sentence which is written in indirect speech. This one is direct speech, the other one is indirect speech. Okay, Ram said that he had been. Okay, if you remember each and every structure for each and every tense that I have taught you, it will be very easy for you to change the tenses. Suppose I have taught you till now, I have taught you about simple present. Simple present changes to simple past. Present continuous changes to past continuous. Like that, simple past changes to past perfect. Again, past continuous changes to past perfect. Again, tomorrow we will be discussing about how to change the perfect tenses. Present perfect will change to past perfect. Present perfect continuous will change to past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous will change again to past perfect continuous only. We will not make any changes with past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous will remain in the past perfect continuous form. Okay. So for today, I have given you the structure. What is the structure for past continuous and what is the structure for past perfect continuous? Like this, you please make your own sentences in past continuous form, and the more and more sentence you keep on forming, the more it will help you to understand the topic. Okay, so for now this is enough. Tomorrow we shall be studying about the perfect tenses. Thank you.